How to use Sephora flash shipping membership. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to guide you on how can you use Sephora flash shipping membership. The Sephora flash shipping program, which offers ultimate unlimited 2-day shipping for an annual fee, was officially discontinued in the 2022, and it is no longer available for a new or returning subscriber. So what here you need is basically you no longer need a paid flash membership for free shipping. You just have to make sure all the Sephora Beauty Insider members, the free loyalty program, receive a free standard 1 to 3 shipping day all orders with no minimum purchase required as well, and simply sign into your Beauty Insider account before checking out, and the free shipping options will automatically appear as well. And this is a modern spiritual successor to Flash, focusing on speed rather than just 2-day ground shipping as well. And ultimately, same day delivery on eligible product for $49 annual fee. And you could also add up to a same day unlimited subscription to your basket while shopping or select as well. Now, same day delivery on an eligible product page to initiate a 30-day free trial as well. So this is how you're supposed to use the Sephora Flash Shipping membership. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.